Alright guys, so I did not do a proper house tour and we're getting ready to go.
Okay guys, so here's where we first went wrong. I overslept. I absolutely overslept, and this put us behind a lot because now we're in a hurry to get to this boat that is scheduled to leave very soon.
Oh, so let's make this quick. We have the entrance here, and right off is the master suite, guys. So the master suite has its own bathroom, quick thing, full kitchen. Flows right into the sitting area. I'm out of breath because we're running late. but I want to give you a quick show. And this is the master bedroom. So this suite area is just boom, litty. Okay. There's a balcony on the other side and here as well. So it has like 2 or 3 balconies. Street view. And it was popping last night downstairs. Whatever they was doing. It was going. It's like 6 this morning. Whatever they were doing. Everybody ready? Anybody here? Okay, so this is one bedroom. Excuse me. Oh, my bad. I thought you was gone. My bad. You won't see that bedroom, people. So it's a lot of space. Down this hall, there's a washer and dryer area. Somebody been washing and drying? No. Carly, you still back here? This bedroom, and it's a whole mess, y'all. Y'all gonna messy tour today. Hi. Oh, Carla gone? Yeah, she got on that first. Okay. How long? How much time y'all need? Okay. All right, y'all. So we have to go catch our ferry. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Bye. All right, guys. So we're at the port. We're late, but that's a part of the adventure. We missing one person. Inshallah, she makes it on time because we leave in like 20 minutes.
Now here's the second instance where we went wrong, y'all. Our cab driver dropped us at the entrance and not at the ship. And there were no instructions as far as the exact location of the correct boat for us to get on. So we saw all these freaking boats and we had no idea exactly where our boat was. So we were a little bit lost. But a local saw us looking lost and he helped us get it together.
Let's check in, Jet. So this must be... I don't know. Yeah, but I don't know. Maybe it's this one. Oh, Lord. Huh? All the things. Yeah, they all see that. It's called seajets. All right. We are here, seajets, getting ready to board. Word to the wise, come early to find your boat. All right, so let's do some exploring. Well, we gotta find our seat first. You got your luggage? Okay, you just gotta pack it over there. Huh? They flying. Okay. Yeah. So they probably in the bed. They flight leave at 11. Yeah.
And the next issue, guys, they switched the ships up on us. We booked the ship that had Wi-Fi, and we get on a smaller ship when we get there. If they assigned us to a smaller ship with no Wi-Fi, can you imagine 4 hours with no internet? What are we gonna do?
In and out. In and out. My US phone is working.
Now what you're getting ready to see is the cause of our biggest issue on this cruise, guys. We really should have known better with this one, but we made a very big mistake. Let me know in the comments what you think this big mistake is.
Okay, We'll have a mimosa later on with the view. Okay. Everybody's getting sick on this ferry because they switched, except for Kishana. So what had happened was they switched the boats on us. We were supposed to be on the bigger boat with Wi-Fi and a shower, but they switched us to this little boat and we feel everything. Good? Gucci? No, she's not Gucci right now. She's very rainbow. See, she's okay. Where Peaches go to?
She went back there.
The other two are in the restaurant. And the more these waves hit, the my stomach is starting to do this a little bit too. So I'm gonna see if I can take a nap, and maybe I'll give you a tour later. Maybe. Bye bye. Alright, so we're going outside for some fresh air. It's so beautiful.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind. So nice, we time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my.
All right, so 4 out of the 6 of us did the big V, did the big vomit on this ship. Your girl held it down. I held it down literally. And we finally made it to land, and it's beautiful. I don't know if I will ever do that again, guys, but if you do, don't eat anything before you take off. Don't do it. Don't drink anything, and see if you can get a slow boat that don't move so fast. As always, it's your girl Just Living. Make sure you stay tuned for the rest of the adventure because there is so much more to come. Love you bunches. Bye bye.